Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the Trend Meter binary options strategy. It was developed for the popular TradingView trading platform and consists of two indicators, the EMA Trend Meter and the Stochastic Momentum Index. The former is designed to visualize trends using colored elements, while the latter is used to determine the appropriate moment to enter a trade. In this review, we'll take a detailed look at how these two indicators work together, the signals they generate, and how to use them to profit. First, let's install the Trend Meter in the TradingView terminal. The indicators for this strategy are installed in the platform through the menu of the same name in the upper part of the terminal. Click on the Indicators button, and the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel will open. In its search bar, type the name EMA Trend Meter. Then find it in the list and click on it after checking the developer's name, Colin Mack. Once the first tool is added to your chart, repeat the process and install the second indicator in the same way, the Stochastic Momentum Index from the developer Surjithli. For the Trend Meter indicator, set the parameters as you see on the screen. We will also replace the parameters for the Stochastic Momentum Index oscillator. Now, let's break down the operating principle and the key settings of this strategy. Both indicators, EMA Trend Meter and Stochastic Momentum Index, are built into the TradingView analytical platform for free. The first one, Trend Meter, is designed for trend analysis and is located in the bottom part of the chart, where we are used to seeing oscillators. This indicator consists of 3 EMAs, weighted relative to a single base moving average. The colored squares reflect the position of each EMA. A green color means the EMA is pointing up, while red means it is pointing down. Note that 3 vertically aligned objects of the same color indicate that the price is likely to move in that direction. The second indicator, the Stochastic Momentum Index, is designed to determine when to open a trade in the direction indicated by the Trend Matters indicator. It also displays local oversold and overbought levels, which also helps traders assess the prospects for entering into trades based on current levels. Trades in the direction of the trend should be opened after the oscillator's fast line crosses its slow line. However, keep in mind that the indicator parameters should be tailored to your asset and time frame. This system's signals do not repaint. However, if you want to learn which non-repainting indicators are best for binary options trading, check out our selection of articles on this topic. These are some useful resources that will help you better understand the technical techniques and improve your skills. Now let's look at the rules for trading binary options using this strategy. It's important to remember that in the Trend Meter system, the trend direction is determined by synchronicity, the arrangement of colored elements. 3 green squares indicate a bullish trend, while 3 red ones indicate a bearish trend. Other combinations indicate the emergence of a flat market. At the same time, a bottom-up crossover of the Stochastic Momentum Index oscillator line signals the purchase of a call option, while a top-down crossover signals the purchase of a put option. Candlestick patterns and price action formations can be used to increase the percentage of profitable trades. You can learn more about patterns that can improve binary options trading in the article Price Action Binary Options. To open a call option, the following is required. First, all 3 elements of the trend meter should turn green. Second, the fast line of the Stochastic Momentum Index should cross the slow line from bottom to top. And third, at the opening of the next candle, we buy a call option. To open a put option, it is required that first, all 3 elements of the trend meter turn red. Second, the fast line of the Stochastic Momentum Index crosses the slow line from top to bottom. And third, at the opening of the next candle, we buy a put option. We recommend setting an expiration time equal to 3 candles. However, the optimal position holding period will depend on your asset and should be selected by you considering the results of backtesting on historical data. This approach will help adapt the strategy to the specifics of your instrument and increase its overall effectiveness. Now, a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this strategy. Before us is a classic binary options trading system based on trend following and opening trades in its direction. This system is distinguished by accurate signals, and with correctly configured parameters for the EMA Trend Meter and Stochastic Momentum Index, it allows for many profitable trades. Like other stochastic oscillators, the Stochastic Momentum Index is sensitive to short-term market fluctuations. On one hand, this helps identify extreme price levels, but on the other, during a flat market, the indicator may generate false signals. Keep this in mind and avoid trading on instruments with a weak trend. The main advantage of the strategy is trading according to the primary tendency. The stochastic momentum index confirms the signals of the EMA trend meter, which increases trading reliability. Furthermore, the period parameters and smoothing methods for both indicators are easy to change, allowing their signals to be adapted to various markets and timeframes. The disadvantages of this strategy include the fact that under conditions of high volatility and sideways movement, it can generate false signals. Furthermore, remember that universal settings suitable for all assets do not exist. Each market requires an individual approach, so be sure to experiment with the indicator parameters to find the optimal values for your trading instrument. Overall, the trend meter binary options strategy will help traders confidently determine the direction of trade. Its main purpose is identifying the current price tendency. The built-in tools allow the system to generate many profitable trades, especially in strong trend conditions. By learning to correctly interpret trend meter signals, you will simplify the process of trading binary options. However, despite all the advantages, there are also disadvantages in the system that should be taken into account. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn to use skillfully. Be sure to verify and test the indicator's performance on a demo account and historical data, while keeping the rules of risk and money management in mind. Also, choose only trusted brokers, which you can find on our website in our regularly updated ratings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website to stay informed about the latest news in binary options, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for your attention. We wish you great profits and safe trading. And to ensure you have no doubts about the reliability of this strategy, we will now demonstrate its performance in real time to prove that its signals do not repaint.